Welcome everyone. It is the first class with you on career development. Now, career is very important. Without it, we cannot reach to our destination or goal. Now, on this YouTube channel, we are only talking about web technology career on computer programming, career on coding, career on web development, career on web design, career on web automation, all career related to web technologies or computer programming only. Now, whatever you want to become, a computer programmer, a web designer, web developer, software engineer, or software development engineer in tests. We call it web automation engineering, or Selenium with Python, Selenium with Java, whatever. I will suggest everyone to start with big three. Big three languages are HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Whatever language you are going to learn, whatever career you are pursuing, whatever option you are going to choose, web development or testing, everyone should learn these three. One is HTML, two is CSS, and third one is JavaScript. Now, we have a coupon code here. If you want to start your training program or career with Coding Dojo, one of the largest coding boot camps in the United States, just you can follow this link here, click here, and you will be receiving $500 discount. Okay, let's come back. We are going to start our training program step by step. Every single day I'm taking 30 minutes classes on HTML, CSS, JavaScript. These three or big three languages are called front-end technology. Okay, and we will be learning also back-end technology as we proceeds. Okay, so let's start with HTML. Now I just open Git. Git version control is it's a version control. Using Git, we can create folders and files, and very efficiently we can manage our projects, and we can also collaborate with our colleagues, and we can save a lot of time when we use Git version control efficiently. Git version control is very intelligent software. It can understand if you hints something what you are going to do. All right, I'm now on my computer. Okay, and I just go to desktop of my computer. I just type cd desktop means cd means change directory. I'm telling Git to go to the desktop of my computer. Okay, and we can see now we are on my desktop. Then I just make a folder. To make folder, we have a very specific command, and it is mkdir, make directory. Directory means folder, and mm, name of the folder is career underscore developments. Okay, and I press enter, and we can see whatever career underscore development folder has been created or not. I type ls. The command is ls, means show lists. Okay, and it shows the lists. Where is career development? I guess it is career development right here, career development. Okay, now I want to access this folder. So what command I have to write? It is cd, means change directory, and I just write career and press tab button, and it is auto completed because Git version control is very important, very intelligent software. Okay, now inside career development, I want to create a new file, and to create a new file, the command is touch. Touch means create a new file, and name of the file is index.html. Okay, and I can check whether it is created, and I see index.html has been created. Okay, and now I can open a code editor, and I just type code, then a space, then dot, and press enter, and our code editor is open. Okay, and I can see index.html file is here. Okay, and I can make it larger. Okay, even if I want to make it a little larger, I can just press command plus if you are using MacBook, and if you are using Windows, it will be uh, control plus, and to minimize control minus. Okay, and on Mac, command plus and command minus. Okay, fine. I just type HTML5. Okay, and press enter, and I can see um I can see um, HTML. I just want larger screen, so I click here. It will hide, and when I click back, it will come back this project explorer. Okay, and we can see Doctype Html. It's declaring. It is the declaration for browser. Whatever browser we are using, it can be Google Chrome or Firefox. We are telling, hey, Google Chrome, oh, the language I'm going to write now is Doctype HTML, means the latest HTML, HTML5. And HTML comes with pair of tags, like we call this tag opening angle bracket and closing angle bracket. So this is opening angle bracket and this is closing angle bracket. And inside the angle bracket we have HTML. This HTML comes with another HTML tag, and this is here closing tag HTML. With opening HTML tag, it doesn't have slash, but in closing HTML tag we have extra slash. So we can understand with slash whether it is opening tag or closing tag. HTML starts here and HTML ends here. The same way head, here is opening head tag and closing head tag. The same way opening body tag and opening closing body tag. And whatever we write inside the HTML tag, all of the tags are child element to HTML tag. So HTML is parent tag and head and body is uh, its child. Okay, the same way inside the head tag we have child tags, like one is meta tag, another meta tag, another meta tag, and title tag. Okay, so always we have to indent, or we have to use indentation so that our tags or codes remain clear. Okay, it looks nice. It will be more readable, more cleaning, more clean coding. Okay, so whatever we write inside the head tag, these are metadata. Okay, very important information, brain of the website or web application, and it will remain unseen for users. Okay, whatever we write inside the body tag, it will be visible for everyone. So if I right button click and open with live server, okay, we can see there is nothing on our page. We can see document on the top. Now this document is inside the title. Now we can write our title. We can say uh, website, or I can say my first website. Okay, and now if I go to my website, I see my first website. The title is on the top. Okay, now we want to write something on this page. Okay, now what is HTML? HTML is the standard markup language for web pages. So I can say this is called just a minute. I don't want this link. Okay, body, and inside the body I want to write something like, what is HTML? What is HTML? HTML stands for I just want to comment it. Okay, and whatever we write inside this comment, it will not be executing. Okay, so HTML is standard markup language. It is standard markup language. Okay, and HTML stands for hypertext markup language. Hypertext markup language. What does it do? It creates web pages. Okay, with HTML we can create our own website. We can create our websites, web applications, softwares, and many more. Okay, now let's start coding. At the very beginning, we will start with the heading. Okay, heading. What is heading? Heading is the biggest headline on any web page. If we go to any website, like if we go to eBay, ebay.com, we see eBay. Okay, this is heading, right? This is a heading, whatever. Or if you go to um, Washington Post, washingtonpost.com, we see the headline, the biggest headline, then a little smaller headline, and so on. Okay, now the same way when we create web page or website, we need to create headlines. Now each one is the biggest. Welcome everyone. Biggest headline, then H2 will be the second biggest headline. How is everything? H3, what are we going to learn today? H4, it's HTML5, right? Okay. H5 is HTML is one of the big three languages. H6 is the smallest headlines. Okay, HTML, CSS, and JavaScripts called front end technologies. All right, now just save it and then run it. Let's see. This is our first web page. Welcome everyone. H1 tag. How is everything? H2. What are we going to learn today? H4, H3. It's HTML5, right? H4 tag. And HTML is one of the big three languages. This is HTML5 tag, and HTML, CSS, JavaScripts are called front-end technologies. This is the smallest headlines. All right. Now, these are the 6 headlines that we learned just now. Okay. And in the next class, we will be learning how we can write paragraphs. Okay. That's all for today. See you in the next session.